This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This one covers the road ahead route from Newton Abbot to Milber. As we've come through the one-way system, we've positioned into the right-hand lane. The sign only says Torquay at the moment, but local knowledge, we know that that also goes to Milber. As we come down here, we can see a sign that clearly says Milber is the centre lane. If you were in the wrong lane, you could just change position at this point, as long as it was safe to do so. We've now got road markings for Milber as well. That's going to help us. So at the roundabout, it is the road ahead second exit. We can see from the road markings and the sign that we're going to need to be in this centre lane here for Milber, which quickly becomes lane 3 as the lane to the left is split. There is a yellow box ahead of us. We need to be keeping that clear. We also need to keep an eye on our mirrors as we come across here, particularly to the left. We've got that lorry there. We just need to hang back a little bit because they're going to cut across the line. So we can now follow this Milber lane up through. Again, just keeping an eye on what's going on around us, just making sure we're safe. We've got sensible speed coming up here and just keeping all that yellow box clear. So as we come round, we can see it follows up the hill and ultimately turns right at the traffic lights. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.